Hello guys, welcome back again in another exciting video. So guys, today I want to share with you how you can make the most powerful enemy that you have. That it seems like that enemy is so powerful. You have tried everything spiritually possible, but yes, this enemy is proving stubborn that he can't go down, or she can't go down, or them, they cannot go down. I am here to tell you how you can make their power to be what? Powerless. How to make that powerful enemies to be what? Powerless. And when your enemies become powerless, that means you are on a winning side. That means all the things that always make them to be behaving abnormal, all the thing that is always making them to be throwing evil arrow and now legs. They will not have access again to do you any bad thing. They will not have access again to destroy your life, nor your destiny, nor even the destiny of your children. If you have a powerful enemy that seems that they don't want to die, they don't want to leave you alone, they don't want to repent from their evil deed. Now, this assignment, this spiritual assignment is for you. But before I go into that details to tell you how you can make this your powerful enemies to be powerless, I would like to use this opportunity to welcome you into this month of December. And I pray as many as you that have been watching me for years, for weeks, whenever I upload a video, you always come across my video, you always watch, you always subscribe, you always leave a comment. You see, this month that we just enter, this month we favor you. You shall never experience any tear, you shall not experience any delay, you shall not experience any setback, any evil plans from your enemy against you, against your children. It is going to backfire and they will use their head to carry it. But if you have subscribed to my channel and you are still watching, what are you waiting for? Please kindly do so. And when you are done subscribing, please remember to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will get notification. Okay, and also remember to share my videos. You are free to share my videos, and then whenever you watch my videos, leave a comment, leave a thankful comment, leave any comment that you want to leave there, but let it be a nice comment, please, because I don't accept negative comments. So guys, I am going to be telling you how you can make your powerful enemies. When those ones are too powerful, they will be bragging. They'll be doing anyhow, misbehaving, throwing evil arrow up and down, destroying people's destiny, destroying people's life, causing sickness, untimely sickness, the sickness that did not come from your creator. Now, this is what you need to do to defeat them. Using ordinary, natural, powerful, spiritual to just 4 ingredients, and you will make them powerless. You will make them powerless that, in fact, they will not even know themselves that their powers are now powerless. You know what that means? Especially if you are planning to travel this December. If you are traveling to December, if you are traveling this month, if you are planning to travel to the village, you need to perform this assignment because you don't know who is who. You don't know who your enemies are. Even if you know them, even the ones you knew, you always feel within you that they are more powerful than you. I'm here to tell you how you can bring their powers down and they will become powerless. And when they become powerless, you are on the winning side. When they become powerless, that is when you will not have your own power to do what? To destroy them by God's grace. Enemies are not people that you should joke with. Enemies can be any person. It can be anywhere. It can be in your compound. It can be your neighbor. It can be from my father's side. It can be from your mother's side. It can be even your co-workers, even your colleague. Yes. In fact, they might be in the same company where you are working. So this is what you need to do. When you have a powerful enemies that are more powerful spiritually more than you, to make their power to be powerless, and they will become empty, very, very empty. This is what you need to do. So number 1 ingredient in our list today is going to be our what? Cooler. You need a collar. You need a native four-head collar. Yes, you need it. That is number one, collar. Four-headed collar. You need it. Then you need your eating salt. You need an eating salt, not a sea salt, so it is easy for everyone to perform. Okay, now you need your spiritual ojuku red oil. This red oil, people always neglect it. Today I am going to be telling you what this ojuku red oil can do for you in the spiritual realm. Do you know that red ojuku oil is also a spirit, just like alligator pepper? Yes, they walk hand in hand with alligator pepper. They are a spirit, just like an alligator pepper. In fact, they do the same work closely. It is not your regular red oil. This is ojuku red oil. It's a spiritual red oil. You need it original. Make sure that you are using original. Yes, there are ojuku red oil in the market today, but fake are rampant. Fake are everywhere. So when you are making this assignment, make sure that you are using original. All right, that is number 3 ingredient. Our 4th ingredient, which is the final ingredient, is what? Your close eye cowrie. You need a cowrie that closes eyes, not this type. This one, their eyes are not closed. When you see that one, you will know. Okay, their eye is always closed. It doesn't have a hole. Okay, so how will you make use of this powerful tools? You are to perform this at the hour of 10 o'clock in your house. How will you make use of these things? Get me this red oil, ojuku red oil. Pour it in a white transparent bowl. In a white transparent bowl. This salt, pour it inside that white bowl. And then this particular cooler, before you put inside that white bowl, you are to open it and then put it inside that white bowl. Now finally, your cowrie, just one is okay. Now carry the plate like this on your hand. I want you to face the moon. You are going to be facing the moon directly. You are going to be facing the moon. You hold your plate on your hand like this and begin to talk to your chi, talk to the moon. That any man or woman, any enemy of yours that seems so powerful more than you, and because of that they are planning evil, or they have done any negative thing, any evil, any atrocity against you, that you are calling upon the God of the universe, your creator, to do what? To make the person powerless. That as this red oil, you are commanding it to go on an evil war against that person that seems so powerful. That as this red oil is touching the ground, that is how the blood of that person that is too powerful will touch the ground. All that they wishes you, all that they wishes your children, all that they wishes your husband, your job, your finance, everything. That this money is an olden days money. You're using it to buy their power. Very powerful assignments. You're using this money to buy their power and to make their power to be what? Powerless. And whatever money that they have used in getting that their power back, that you are buying it from them, that you are now giving it out, that you are declaring that this money are giving it to anywhere they have gotten their money out, their power out, and their power will be powerless. Their power will be useless. You mention your cola, begin to call on your chi, begin to call your ndi chi, begin to call your maker, your creator in heaven. You call upon God in heaven, call upon your ndi chi, call upon your own guiding angels on the cola. Remember, you'll be holding those things, you'll be holding the plates in your hands like this while making that prayer. And that any man or woman that God has created that has not eaten anything that concerns salt, let whatever thing they are doing against you, or they've already done work. But if not, let it backfire and let their power become what? You should be emphasizing on their power. Remember, you want to make their power powerless. Most importantly, when you are making prayer on Calvary, you are buying their power. Anywhere they have gone to gather power, you are buying it, and you are declaring that their power as from today will become powerless. You are buying their power from them. You are buying it at that their power will never become powerful again within themselves, that they will remain empty and powerless. That is the essence of you using this spiritual cowries. It is a spiritual cowries. Okay, so after making that prayer, guys, now carry the plate on your hand gently around the hour of 10-11. Go to any road junction. It can be a 4 road, it can be a 3 junction, it can be to just drop. It's at the corner of the road. Do not drop it at the center of the road. No, at the corner of the road. Trust me, when you come out there in the next morning, you might not find the plate again. You know why? Because in fact, the spirit that controls nature has already taken the plate, and they have already worked it out. Your prayer, they have taken it, they have taken everything out, and they are going to work on it. Anything that you say while carrying that plate, that is what they are going to use to work for you. So when you are making that prayer, pray it with aggressiveness. Pray it with you as if they have broken your heart into shattered. Pray it that you want their power to be power. They are buying that their power anywhere, any places, any kingdom, in fact, any villages they have gone to acquire their power to be punishing an innocent one. That you are buying their power out from them, and they're declaring that they're going to be powerless as from today. Just go out there, drop it, and then in the morning when you're passing through that road, you will discover that you never see that plate at that spot that you kept it. Try this recipe and your enemies will become powerless forever. And do you know the funnest part of it? When these things are happening, they will not know that they are now empty. You see? So that is when you will now have your power. That is when you have the full power to do what? To do back to sender to them. If you're making any back to sender prayer or any back to sender recipe, it will be entering their body one touch. You see? So guys, that is just it. And if you need original Ojuku palm kernel oil, if you know you want this prayer to work for you, please get original, which I sell. I sell original, undiluted, no mix of normal red oil. I do not mix it with any normal red. It is pure Ojuku red oil, the one that you not even cook while preparing it. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this hour, please do so, and also make sure to share my video to your loved ones. See you on my next episode. Do have a lovely day. Bye. Mommy.